Should I clean my baby girl's private part after every diaper change?
Hello, parents, caregivers, and everyone in between. Today, we'll be discussing an important aspect of baby care that may have you a bit uncertain: how and when to clean your baby girl's private parts.
Why is cleaning important?
It's vital to keep a baby's diaper area clean. Babies have very sensitive skin, and the diaper area is particularly susceptible to irritation, such as diaper rash. Also, the accumulation of urine and feces can lead to bacterial growth and infection if not properly cleaned. Remember, babies, especially newborns, have frequent bowel movements and urinate quite often, so it's crucial to ensure cleanliness at all times.
Should I clean my baby girl's private part after every diaper change?
The answer is a resounding yes. It's essential to clean your baby girl's private part after every diaper change. This practice ensures that no residual urine or feces linger, which could lead to irritation or infection. However, it's important to note that your cleaning approach needs to be gentle and thorough. Never use force or attempt to clean inside the vagina, as it can cause harm.
How should I clean my baby girl's private part?
When cleaning, use a soft cloth or a baby wipe. If you choose to use wipes, opt for those that are fragrance-free and hypoallergenic to avoid skin irritation. Start by wiping from the front to the back to prevent any feces from reaching the vaginal area, which could lead to infections. Always use a clean surface of the wipe for each swipe and discard it appropriately. After cleaning, pat the area dry gently using a clean, soft towel. Do not rub, as this can cause irritation.
What should I do if my baby has a diaper rash?
Despite your best efforts, diaper rashes can still occur. They're common and usually aren't a cause for worry. If a diaper rash appears, it's best to let your baby go diaper-free for a while to air out the area. You can also use a diaper rash cream or ointment recommended by your pediatrician. Remember, if a rash looks severe, is causing your baby discomfort, or doesn't improve with treatment, it's best to consult your pediatrician. Taking care of a baby involves many responsibilities, and keeping her clean is one of the most important. We hope this guide gives you the confidence and knowledge to take on this task effectively. Remember, every diaper change is an opportunity to ensure your baby's comfort and health. Happy parenting!